Hey guys, ExplodingCreeper here. Today I'm going to be doing Five Nights at Freddy's multiplayer with new guys, Superman 521, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here we got Exploding Wizard over here.
And then, 3. I'm the security guard.
I
gotta do the face. I can do the face. Face slam.
Hey, guess what? Guess what else is funny? That this guy over here looks like Chica. I'm sorry, Chica, but no offense. Seriously. Please don't come over here and beat me up. Please don't.
Face slam.
Oh God, I think you just broke my face. I think you really did.
Face slam glitch. Foxy's ready. By the way, this is 8-bit and it's 2D, not 3D. Sorry. No, not Golden Freddy. Don't let him out. Don't let him out. You
I don't know how to use him.
You don't look. It's like this. That you can only use it once.
I know that's stupid. Dude, you just hurt Fox.
Face slam.
Let's try
No need, boys.
You don't think that you guys is the girl. Better shut the door. Woo!
Face slam. Boo! In your face.
Hey, Sherry. Kimmy, I don't go this way. No, I'm gonna go. Only Bonnie comes this way. Stop it!
Face slam. Can this one? No.
Yes, I got it. That was me, guys. Spidey 521.
Face slam. This is the face slam door.
Dude, can I please be the security guard just once? Dude, just put it down.
Face slam.
Dude, this is stupid. Like, you're opening and shutting. Dude, your guy's sweating. Like, is that bad?
It's only a 65. It's no biggie. I'm close to 100.
Dude, I hit it.
Yeah, if you slam your face into the door, obviously it would go back. You slam your face into the door.
Dude, I'm a robot. I'm made out of metal.
Oh god, I'm at 28% power right there. It says it. And that's my fear. And my fear has to get to 100 for me to lose.
Wait, let me go in.
Face slam!
I'm really not ready for that.
Balloon's ready. How am I running out of power even though I'm not shutting any of the doors?
Let's block the doors.
Face slam glitch, you know. It's not even a glitch. No! What? No! What? I didn't even know you were. No!
still hurt him. Why is it? No, don't do the door blade.
Okay, give me a chance. Just don't go so fast, okay? I'm only at 4 a.m. Come on, give me. I'm on cameras. Animatronics win. Alright, it's Cammy's turn to be the security guard. I'm gonna be.
Scooty. I'm sitting there doing this to me.
Hi, my name is Bonnie. Wait, caps lock. Face slam. You're just copying my glitch.
Dude, no.
Lauren, we only use it when we need to.
Yeah.
Jeez.
No! Dude! I want to do the
Face slam? How did you use face slam? What? Hey! I just touched the door.
I spit on me. That's Freddys' door.
What? Lauren, you're going the wrong way. What? And I keep glitching out.
I know, but it's not me. Hey. Hi. We're gonna open this now. Hey! No, I missed it.
I'm good at this.
Hey, why did you do that? Oh, hey, buddy. Penny's animatronic.
How do you slam the door?
Fine, open this.
Lauren, you're going the wrong way.
Oh, Freddy can't go that way. I would move on. Gotcha. Oh. Now you cheat them?
No.
Then I'll be gone.
You could open that door. Just glitch it.
Oh, wait.
I'm banging on the door. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right.
No! Oh, yes, I got you! I tricked you! Waboom! Come on!
Come on, let me in!
No!
You're doing better than me.
Dude, no, I'm at 2 a.m.
I'm being sarcastic. You should be all cool. Getting it to work.
I tricked you.
Hang on.
For somebody to kind of go to the right door.
Dude, let me in. Animatronics win! Okay, so this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in next time, Five Nights at Freddy's 3.